It is important problem. This problem is given in 2017. The mean and standard deviation of the marks obtained by the 1,000 students. Number of students are 1,000. In an approximation or respectively, mean and standard deviation. Mean mu is equal to 34.5, standard deviation sigma equal to 16.5. We have that assumption. The values. Next, assuming the normality of the distribution, immediately we can draw the normal curve. The normality of the distribution, find the approximate number of students expected to obtain marks between 30 and 60. This is 30 and this is 60. In between of this, what we want the area, this is the area we want. Here, this is z is equal to 0 and x is equal to mu. It is x1, it is x2. From this, minus z1 plus z2, that is the from the 0. But here, what is this area means? Probability of 0 is less than z is less than z1 is equal to area of z1. We can calculate. And this is calculated from the z variate. What is the z variate? That is equal to x minus mu by sigma. From the standard variable, we can calculate the z1 value, z2 value. This is equal to probability of 0 is less than z is less than z2. This is equal to area of z2. What we want, this area we want. So the expected area is the area of z1 plus area of z2 is the expected area. This is multiply with 1,000, then we are getting the expected number of the students obtained marks between 30 and 60. This is the brief idea about the given problem. First, we can write step by step. Let capital X be a continuous random variable and mu is equal to mean is equal to what they have given 34.5 and sigma equal to standard deviation, it is equal to 16.5. And the number of students equal to 1,000. So from the tabular form, we can calculate and obtain the marks between, that is x1 is equal to 30 and x2 equal to 60. We can calculate the probability of x1 is less than x is less than x2 equal to how much. Okay, here the standard variable z is equal to x minus mu by sigma. From this, z1 is equal to x1 minus mu by sigma, that is equal to 30 minus mean is 34 minus 5 by sigma is 16.5. It is equal to minus 4.5 by 16.5. It is equal to point get cancelled. 5 nines are 5 threes are 5 threes are 3 threes are 3 elevens are minus 3 by 11, that is equal to 0 0.3 is divides with 11, 0 0.0. It's 2 is 22, it's 8, 0, 7, 0.27 with the negative. So Z1 is equal to minus 0.27 and x2 is equal to 60. From this, z2 is equal to 60 minus 34.5 by 16.5. It is equal to 15.5. 15.5, 25.5 with by 16.5. 5 point get cancelled. It is the 5 fives are 1s are 5 3s are 3s are, and 51 is divides with 33. 51 ones are 33 ones are 33. It is equal to 18.06, 1.6 means 6 threes are 18, 18 no, 1.5, 5 threes are 15, 1, 15, 16. It is equal to, and it is 5, 1, again 0, it's a 4. So this is equal to 1.54. So we got the Z1 and Z2 values. Here Z2 is equal to 1.54. Next, the probability of 30 is less than x is less than, in between means less than or equal to 60 is equal to probability of Z1 is less than or equal to Z is less than or equal to Z2 is equal to area of Z1 plus area of Z2, that is equal to, here negligible in the area, that is area of minus 0.27 plus area of 1.54 is equal to area of 0.27 plus area of 1.54. From the table, here we can take 0.2 and here 0.07. Where is the coincident area is there? That is equal to 0.1084. The value of 0.27 for 1.54 is plus 0.4382. It is equal to 688 plus 8, 16, 1, 4, 5.0. 0.1084, 0.54, 4382. It is 6, 16, 1, 4. It is 432, 438, 1.54. Okay. But here the calculation is, what is 54? Is it correct only now? 5466. So the probability of 30 is less than or equal to x is less than or equal to 60 is equal to 5466. So the number of students, who get marks between 30 and 60 is equal to 0.5466 into 1000 is equal to 546.6. That is almost 547 students. So hence 547 students get marks between 30 and 60. It is the solution. The next problem, it is also similar to the previous problem. Here, the mean height of the students in a college is 155 centimeters. That is nothing but mu equal to 155 centimeter. The standard deviation sigma equal to 15 centimeters. Here, what is the probability that the mean height of 36 students, n equal to 36 students, is less than the 157 centimeters? So here we have this relation. From the normal table, we can calculate the probability of x is less than 155. Mean is equal to 155. We can find out the 157. This is the area we can calculate. That is the probability of x is less than x1. That is 157. Okay. Here we can take the values what they have given. Let capital X be a continuous random variable and mu is equal to 155 centimeters is the mean. Mu is the mean and sigma is standard deviation. So here from given that mu is equal to 155 centimeter, standard deviation is 15 and number of students equal to 36. 36 is the number of students. From that, probability of x is less than 157, we can calculate the area. Here, the standard variable is z is equal to x minus mu by sigma. From this, x is 157 minus mu is 155 by sigma, that is equal to 2 by 15. 2 by 15 means it is 2 is divides with 15. 0.015503. It is equal to 0.13 is the Z1 value. From this, we can calculate the probability that the height of the students is less than 157 centimeters is equal to probability of x is less than 157 equal to probability of z is less than 0.13. It is equal to z equal to 0.13. That is nothing but this is equal to 0.5 plus a of z, that is equal to a of z1, that is equal to 0.5 plus a of 0.13. Here from the table we can write it as 0.5 plus 0.13 value is 0.517. It's 0.517. Here, Z is less than 0.13 means this is indirectly the Z lies in between of here Z is equal to 0 and it is Z1, that is less than means we can taking as 0.5 to 0. But here 155 is the Z is equal to 0 is the 155. We are taking the less than of 157 means here we are taking 0.5 plus probability of 0 is less than Z is less than 0.13, that is equal to 0.5 plus area of 0.13, it is equal to 0.5 plus the value of this is 0.0517. It is equal to 0.5517. Here we are taking x is less than 157 means that is the 0.5517. It is the x less than 157, that is z less than 0.5. The number of students less than 157 centimeter equal to 0.5517 into 36. 5517 into 3667 is 42, 4, 10, 31, 33, 7 3 is 21, 3 is 21, 2, so 3 1s are 3, 5, 15, 1, 16, 2, 1, 6, 8, 9, 1. So 4, 1, 2, 3, 4 is equal to 19.8612. It's less than 150. If we can take 155 centimeters to 157 centimeters, means it is equal to 0.0517 into 36. That is equal to, we are getting 0.0517 into 3667, 42, 4, 10, 31, 21, 2, 3 ones are 3, 5, 15. It is 2, 1, 6, 8, 1, 1, 2, 3. It is equal to 1.86 in number of students. It depends. It's less than means we are taking as height of the students is less than 157 means the total is mean. Mean means in between of that only. So we are taking here, this is the 1.86 is the less than, that is 155 centimeter to 157 centimeter is equal to 1.86. That is almost 2 members. Here 20 members are less than of 157. Therefore, less than 157 centimeter number of students equal to 20. Only in between of 155 to 157 centimeter number of students are only approximately 2.